Welcome to day 5 of the 12 days of business. Here is today's question. So as you can see, you've got a statement of financial position. Now in the statement of financial position, you're being asked to calculate the net current assets and the net assets. You need to know your formulas to do this, so pause the video while you do it, then unpause it to see the answers. So as you can see, net current assets is the formula that you should know, current assets minus current liability. So 7,450 minus 3,400, which gives you £4,050. Your net assets, which means the total assets in the business, is your total fixed assets of 66,500 plus your net current assets of £4,050. Remember, your current assets or your net current assets are otherwise known as your working capital, and that's the money you have available at any time in your business. If you calculate those correctly, you picked up a nice easy 4 marks. Well done on the 12 days of business.